Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Khan and today we are back with another crypto video. Finally, the webcam is back, but nonetheless, I actually also got a green screen. So I'm actually investing back into this YouTube channel. I really want to make better videos. So I hope you stick around for even better videos, better informative videos definitely coming soon. But for now, I just want to update you guys about what's going on. Um, we want to talk about drip, right? Drip is going drip is going low, and people are actually complaining about why it's going low. If we look at the right here in the chat, oh, getting a call. But if we're looking at the chat over in drip, you know what I mean, the last message we got from Forex is kind of a long time. Where the latest update was about the drip farm itself. Not the drip farm, sorry, it's the animal farm relaunching. The pig, and that stuff takes time, obviously. And plus, we already know Forex, he is late, a lot, consistently late, which is kind of not a good thing, right? Because that's kind of what made the original launch of the animal farm kind of not that successful. I think he did it 2 times, so 2 days. People had to wait 2 days. Um, you know what I mean? But it's lack of communication. Definitely what's going on. So people are just, they're just like, yo, where's for XYZ not telling us anything? And he's focusing too much on the animal farm of things, which I get it and I agree. He is, right? But you get people like this, which I took a screenshot, right? And I want to show you guys exactly what you need to do. Something that you need to do now better than ever. Oh my days. But remember, at the end of the day, it's not financial advice. I'm just a normal YouTuber with 1K subs, right? Before you listen more of me and my thoughts, opinions, or updates about the drip farm, the drip ecosystem, I'm very bullish on this. Give a subscribe, give a like, give a comment. Tell me you found this video helpful. But look at this guy. I'm done compounding, just gonna start selling like everyone else. Now, I'm gonna go to my drip. Listen, I don't want to say I'm not guilty of this. I have been selling, right? But now we're at the lowest. It does not make sense for me to waste my sells at this price, guys. It does not make any sense. The best time to compound is literally right now. You know what I mean? For example, let's just say I sold what I have accumulated right now, which is 2.7 drip, which is $92. If you pull up a calculator, let's just say drip went back to its all-time high, which is $180, right? 180 divided by $33, that's a 5.4x, right? So this 2.7 BNB before tax, 2.7 BNB. If we times that by 180, now compare $92 to 486. Guys, come on. People like this guy, you know what I mean? The more he sells, the more room he's giving to other people, which is me. Today, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. Not financial advice, or what I'm going to do technically. You know what I mean? Um, I haven't actually bought drip in such a long time. I've always either compound or claim, obviously, but I haven't actually bought more drip. I want to do it today. I have roughly zero point 0.6, but I think I'm just going to put in, trying to think. I think I want to put in roughly 0.5. Let's just say all 0.6. You know what? Let's put all that 0.6 in, because this is the best time to invest. You know what I mean? Look at the chart. It's very low. Yes, we know that. But you got to think about the animal farm, the anticipation of the animal farm. So people have already been selling from around, I don't know, here, because people know about the animal farm coming. So people selling their, drip garden, selling their faucet so they can build a bag up, so they can invest in the pigs, dogs, piggy bank, etc., etc. So this is all, the momentum, and then you got the fact that he hasn't really updated us with the drip stuff. But we have seen, guys, we have seen him say in an AMA, which I don't know how people are not remembering it. um People say there's a pancake swap partnership coming soon. It's literally like, it literally just tells you bullish. At the end of the day, listen, I'm not one of those people who say, oh, bullish, 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 bullish. No, I know that there's a critical problem right now we have with Forex. He's a developer. He can't do everything, right? He's good at developing, doesn't mean he's talented in everywhere else. Um, and he needs a PR team, right? I remember the Drip Farm guy, the YouTuber, he said that, and I totally agree with. I feel like he needs to hire someone who's exclusively for the community, the people, the people's person, the PR. You know what I mean? Who tells him, yo, we need to update people. Yo, let's say this at this time. You know what I mean? Um, yes, we know contract stuff, and I know Forex. He's like a perfectionist. Better late than never. You know what I mean? With mistakes, he'd rather be late with no mistakes. But even though we know what happened with the pigs, there's a relaunch and stuff. But he's correcting it, and that's very, very good of him. You know, he could have easily just said, "Oh, it's okay." Those couple people who bought in early will just make that extra profit. But no, he said, "Nah, let's do it again. Let's do it correct and let's do it better." I respect him for that, and I'm all for drip ecosystem. I love the animal farm. I love the drip garden. I love drip faucet, and there's more to come. Actually, I want to show you guys the latest update. You know, with the piggy animal farm, when it comes out, there's gonna be a lottery that will come in the animal farm, um, which is very, very good idea, to be honest. And look at this, drip, drip, drip went up to 500k. You know, some scratch offs. You know, personally, I don't really gamble, but might dabble in this every now and then. You know what I mean? Look at this, the piggy bank, and you got the dogs, double down dogs. This is nice. This is what you like to see. This is like an interesting utility. And then if we look at the latest Forex, he says right here, I think very shortly Piggybank will go live by introducing an amazing new utility to the farm that has never been before in DeFi. So we got a lot of exciting stuff, guys. The unfortunate thing is just Forex is a little bit late. Well, he's always late, and he's just a developer. He's a programmer. He doesn't really have expertise in communication, but his timings are, he knows what he does. It's just the timings. We need to fill in the gaps with something. We cannot just have a silence. I mean, people will just carry on fudding until people give up and join the FUD, just like this guy. Simple, to be honest. There was actually the last time I texted on this. What did I say? Geez, I have to scroll all the way up. Hold on. I think I'm just going to search it up from here if I can. Yep. Just go like this. Can I do that? Or is that only on Discord? Which is from cool idea. Oh, I can. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. So this guy said, unfortunate, y'all crying when drip was 100 plus, and now it's still too scared to buy in. So I remember this time. This guy is actually very, very correct. I remember when we were at like $150, and people were saying, "Oh, I wish drip was 100." You know what I mean? Oh, drip was $80. Oh, look at now. Is it too late? Blah blah blah. But now that we're on $33, right? This is before my initial investment in drip. I joined drip at like mid-December or early December when it was like was it $45, $50? And now I get a second chance to come in earlier. And people are not buying. You know what I mean? This is why FOMO is crazy. People would rather buy when it's already too late, buy when the peak is already happening. You know what I mean? The smartest of people are the people that are doing, you know, the buys when not everyone is buying. You know what they say? Buy the fear, sell the news. Is that what they say? Is that sell the news? Buy the fear? Something like that. But the main point is buy the fear. When everyone is fearful, you want to buy. When everyone is bullish and greedy, you want to sell. That's exactly what I've been doing. You know what I mean? I've made my money from Drip Faucet. You know what I mean? As I deserve. You know what I mean? I've spent the first month in Drip Faucet when I joined it, just first month straight up compounding. Same with the Drip Garden, and it was very, very it was worthy of doing that. But listen, this is what I said. I said exactly, bro. Imagine FOMO that will happen in Drip 100 plus from the same people, right? So the same people who are not buying that now, they're just gonna FOMO back in when it goes back to 100, when it's already like 4x from now. DCA and compound. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm telling people to do. This is what I'm gonna do. Dollar cost average and compound. Simple, or hydrate. $200 deposit now is equal to investing $500 when drip is back to ATH at 180. And I was wrong. You decide. I was wrong. This is actually a bigger gap now, because as you've seen, it was a 5.4x. So if we put $200 times 5.4x, now it's actually $1,000, guys. Putting $200 now is worth $1,000 back at ATH. That's crazy to me. So I'm literally gonna do this right now. I'm gonna buy drip. Gonna go to drip right here. Got my BNB. Do I? Okay, it doesn't show here. It's not. I didn't start it. Let me do that actually real quick. Let me start it. Oh, I thought I started. Anyways, let's click trade, and then let's buy 0.6 of drip, which will give me roughly 8. But then it's gonna get taxed again. I just want to see the slippage. Okay, 12 slippage is actually not worth it. We might as well buy it from here. Let's buy 0.6 BNB. Let's put the slippage on 1%. This is like a small hack, I guess. You know, it's not hack, but because it's by default it's on 3%, you might as well put it on 1%, just to save that bit of money. But yeah, guys, you know, if you're enjoying this video, this update, give it a like again. I want to make more videos about drip and about different passive incomes. You know what I mean? There's a lot of other dApps that are launching right now. Like I know like Splassive is one. I'm going to make a video about this very soon as well. And it's doing pretty good. I won't lie, I jumped on it. It's doing pretty good. But at the same time, drip is king. Drip is king. It's taking a step back right now, but it's going to take 2 steps forward very, now, very shortly. Midterm, I don't care. I'll be waiting. I'll be hydrating in the meantime. Remember, guys, hydrate when the price is low, and then you can claim a little bit when the price is high. Yeah. Okay, I got my 7.9 drip. I'm gonna go to my faucet, and then I want to deposit. I'm gonna click on max, click deposit. Simple as that, guys. If you're new to drip, if this is your first time watching drip, first of all, welcome. Second of all, this is the best dApp out there. Makes you 1% a day. You know what I mean? As I am speaking right now, I probably have made a little bit of money. But anyways, I got my deposit successful, which automatically hydrates. So I'm on 68 BNB, 68 drip total in my deposit. My goal is to reach 100 BNB. That'll be the dream. I think that'll be my next, not dream, but it'll be my next waypoint, I guess. But yeah, guys, again, look at my team. It's 22 people. You can again paste my body link if you're new. Paste my body link. I'm gonna leave it in the description, or click the link. Click it. It'll allow you to enter the faucet, which gives you the 1% a day. Remember, this is DRIP Faucet, which is a locked staking platform. So whatever you deposit will be forever locked. So you cannot cash it out. The only way you can make this money back is through the 1% daily. So you have to accumulate it back. But it's just better to hydrate at least in the first month, or first 2 weeks. Or if you want to be like strategic about it, you can do like 5 days hydrate, 2 days compound, 5 days hydrate, 2 days claim. So you can take your initial back slowly but surely. But remember, the price of drip right now is so low, it's just worth DCAing, it's worth hydrating. Because you guys seen, I could have cashed out my $92, but back in ATH, that $92 is worth $500. It makes sense to be patient a little bit and save those claims that you have, because remember, there's a maximum payout. Save those claims that you have for when the drip price is way higher, and you make actual better value, better timing, and everything. But guys, I want to keep this video no longer than this. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and we'll be reviewing more dApps out there. As you guys can see, there's a elephant.money here. I'm going to review that, and I'm going to talk about the animal farm regarding the drip garden. Um, but anyways, I don't want to say my thoughts about any of those. I'm going to leave them in the separate videos. Guys, let me know what you think. Are you bullish on drip? And let me know what you think of the grease screen. I know it's not the best because my webcam is really old and I probably need to improve my lighting, but we'll do that with time. But yeah, I miss using my camera again. But anyways, guys, hope you have a wonderful time. Remember, only invest with the risk capital in the crypto world. Nothing's guaranteed. At the end of the day, I'm saying this is the lowest risk. Yes, I know, but nothing is guaranteed in this crypto world. It's not regulated. There's no insurance. There's no promises. But go with the safest investments. You know what I mean? Um, I'm gonna be making a separate video about my top 3 safest dApps. Okay, top 3 safest dApps. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Bye bye.